How to change videos upload quality on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change the upload quality of your videos. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application from your device and get logged into your YouTube account. Now, in order to change the quality, tap onto Use section from your bottom right. Then tap onto the settings icon on your top page. Here tap onto General and you will see Uploads option. Tap onto Uploads. If you have set this to only when on Wi-Fi, make sure you toggle it on any networks. And by doing so, your video will get uploaded in its highest quality, and this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.